Hey guys, Heine here. Hello. So today I'm working on cleaning up these windows. And as you can see, they're crusted. They're dirty, yeah, but they also have that patina of aged aluminum. And I'm trying to get some of that off. Definitely want to get all the dirt off, but I also want to get some of that pitting and that patina that's associated with aged aluminium. So I tried this product I learned about from another YouTuber, and the results are pretty darn good. Looking at this here, that is the window frame. Let me crank this down so that we can compare with these are the jealousy windows. I think it's pronounced jealousy windows from the camper. And all right, so here's what it looks like. I'm gonna spray some of this because look at that. Okay, I'm gonna spray some of this on half of this. How do we do that? Here. I've got the heater going on here in the garage, so that might sound like a little jet engine is running, but there isn't. All right, so there we go. Just spray that on there. You know, basically, oh, quiet it down. All right, so basically that I was on the other YouTube channel. He just sprayed it on, left it for 10 minutes, scrubbed it with the nylon brush, which I have over there, and I can't remember if he sprayed it one more time or if he he scrubbed it and then sprayed it a little more and then waited another 10 minutes or so. And and he got excellent results, of course. I don't want my aluminum to be shiny or anything like that, because that involves, you know, buffing, and with all these edges and corners and holes and all that, it's just going to tear my buffer apart. And I really don't want it to be that shiny. I want the aluminum and the way that aluminum looks when it's clean, obviously, and new. But so here we are. Look at these rust spots here, there and right there. And I am just simply, I know it's only been, what has it been, 3 minutes since we started this video, probably less than 2 minutes that we've had the solution on here. So let's just wait another 30 seconds or so. And you know, I can tell you that I did this on this section here, and they were way more rusty than that before. I mean, it's not gone, but it is much cleaner and with minimal effort, right? So I'm gonna jump the gun here, and I'm gonna wipe this to there. Wait, look at that. That's not wet. That's the product that ate away that stuff. So let's just rub this a little bit. I don't want to overdo this because I want this test area to show exactly what's happening here. And so obviously this has acidity, acid in it of some sort, probably nitric or citric acid, I'm sorry. And I haven't investigated the product that fully yet. Look at that. That rust is gone. Okay, let's see here. And I'm not like scrubbing hard. I'm just moving this product around a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to take a piece of cloth here. Look at that. Wow. Look at the difference. I mean, I know some of you are going to say, well, big deal. You know, it's just scrub it and it'll clean up. But no. So all of this old staining that's on there from weather being outside, because aluminum does tarnish. It actually oxidizes. And there it is. Now let's see if with a, I'm sorry, I'm moving around a lot here, but I'm trying to film and do things at the same time. But let's see if I put this on here and scrub it with one of these green pads. And if I can get, see that edge there? That's tarnished aluminum. I would love to get that cleaned up. So now this wasn't even on there for 10 seconds. And let's see if it does that. Yeah. So second round with the, I want to call it a Brillo pad, but it's not. Okay, it's still there over there, but you know, I got some of it off. So that's promising. Wow, okay. All right. So now I gotta just do the rest of the window, right? And all the other ones. So let me show you the product. So this is what I went and got. It is Purple Power Aluminum Brightener, professional strength cleaner and brightener. Works in seconds, cuts grease and oil stains fast, restores metal to new look. And phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, and other things, corrosive. Yeah. Oh, factory painted, clear coated, highly polished aluminum, alloy, or chrome. Avoid spraying on glass, which I did. Dang it. There you go. So that's what it is. I think this thing cost me $18 at my local O'Reilly store. Yeah. O'Reilly is a auto parts store. That's what you want to get if you want to clean up aluminum. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good one.